Hi everyone, welcome to the Color Combo collaboration where a small group of us make cards with three colors that have been pre-selected by me and also Paige in the beginning of the year. Paige, who is Stamp Girl. She is probably not posting this month and maybe not next month. We'll have to see. She's in the process of some things at her home going on, doing some things there. So anyway, the colors this month are Old Olive, Flirty Flamingo, and Daffodil Delight. So we have the Regals and the Brights represented. And even though these colors sort of scream spring to me, I didn't really go with flowers and things. I was going to. Let me show you some other things I used. I used the Designer Series papers from the Regals and the Brights that Stampin' Up! Has each year, the color family, which I don't know if I have them still out. Hang on. I have some of them out, but not in their packets. So, I did use, on the second card, I used the plaid in all three colors, and on the first card, I used this pattern in all three colors. And then I use some card bases. The first one will be in Old Olive, and the second one will be in actually Daffodil Delight, this color here. So these are in the annual catalog. The Old Olive is in the Regals, as I mentioned, and the other two are in the Brights, and it's a 6x6 paper. You get patterns, these patterns, and I believe there's 2 sheets of each pattern for each color, 10 colors in each family of colors, right? So let's put them aside and I'll show you the cards I did. So the first one, I decided to do the strip method. So I put all these on a 5 by 3 3/4 piece of basic white. Then I went around the edges of it with the Old Olive Stampin' Right marker, and I just put that all on a piece of basic black 5 1/4 by 4. And then this is from the In Bloom You Are Amazing, but the shape is from the brand new in the mini August to December mini catalog Pretty Pillow Box dies, and it's this label right here. And the ribbon is also in the mini catalog, and it's gingham ribbon, and it's in black and white. It is on page 51 of the August to December mini, and it's from the Cute Halloween suite. I love this ribbon. So doesn't that look pretty? And then these, I'm sorry, these are also the matte black dots, and I believe they're in the annual catalog on page 143. They carried over from last year's December holiday 2020 mini is what I'll call it. So that's what I did for the first one. In the inside, I just put a piece of the designer paper behind a piece of basic white, and the same pattern as this. So I think that came out pretty without being too frou-frou-y or flowery, and yeah, can be sent to anybody, right, that you think is amazing. That's my preferred one. And then the second one, I used the plaid pattern in the Daffodil Delight, Flirty Flamingo, and Old Olive, and I stamped the Hello Friend from The Biggest Wish. I was going to use one of the larger ones, but it takes up that whole center space, so I didn't want to do that. So I used the script on both, and I did use the largest this largest triangle die from the Stitched Triangle dies. They carried over into the annual catalog as well. And then I used the same matte black dots, and I also used this black and white twine from the Playful Pets combo pack that did carry over. It's on page 140 of the current annual catalog, or you can find it online. It's just black and white baker's twine, 10 yards, and it comes with the combo pack. It also comes with this real red and white stitched grosgrain ribbon. Okay, and on the inside of that one I just put a piece of black with basic white. So I think they came out pretty, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. And you know, you never know, I might just give them away to someone in our next video. So leave a comment below, and I think I will. I'll do a drawing and give these away to one winner, just one winner. And so just let me know if you'd like to have them. Do you like this style? Either style. Let me know which is your favorite style and stuff like that. Yeah, just a fun comment below, please. I'm kind of in a funk, so I need some fun comments and incentive to keep going. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to check out the other collab members. I hope that the rest of them are posting, other than Stamp Girl. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Hugs, love, and peace.